Well, Hazard has just arrived in Warrington, and all the crew from the Warrington Motorcycle Club are here to meet me. So, Hazard and Michael John and the whole crew, we're going to get on our bikes and we're going to head into town. We're going to head for the Irish Club in Warrington now. Cheers! So we've a massive turnout here. It's absolutely brilliant to see so many people supporting Stamp Out Suicide here in Warrington. Fair play to the Warrington Motorcycle Club. They've gone really out of their way to support what we're doing. And it's absolutely fantastic. South Road now is kind of busy enough, but we'll get there. Right lads, here we go. Come on now, Michael John, get on the road. Brilliant. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dee. Oh, that bloody wire is hanging out now, look at that. That's a bit of a disaster now. Oh shit. Anyway. Come on now, Michael John, take the bin now. You got all the crew there behind us. Do you know what? I think I've forgotten the way to get to the flippin' Irish Centre. How could I forget that? Jesus Christ, it's straightforward like. Let me see, where are we going? That's good with you. It's kind of busy here now, alright, but anyway, we have a good crew behind us. So anyway, just a little bit more about Stamp Out Suicide. It's a service based in Warrington, providing free counselling to anybody that's living with suicidal thoughts. There are over 10,000 deaths every year in UK and Ireland to suicide. Ah, come on, truck, gotta move on, man. If anybody should need to use the service, the number for SOS is 077 66 808 222. That's 077 66 808 222. Yeah, I'll slow down here. Yeah, we just lost track there for a bit. We're back on track now again anyway. So as I said, The number for St. Paul Suicide is 077 66 808 222. Now I'm trying to get my bearings again. You see, every time I go to the Irish Club, it's never from this direction. I'm not flipping off now. But I think if I go right up to McDonald's on Winnick Road, no, that's not going to do it. Yeah, no, where to go. I have my bearings now, I know exactly where I'm going. Jeez, I don't know what I was thinking of. Oh, these guys are coming to a sudden stop, whatever is going on.